back in the kitchen with another beautiful recipe with you guys today. Okay, just a little bit of a detox, something to, you know what I mean, cleanse up the immune system with you guys. So that's what I'm going to be making right now, and to detox the body. If you are a person interested in enough detoxing the body, then you don't know this will goes really well for you. Beautiful recipe, very easy and simple to detox the body. All right, so we're gonna go for it now. We're not gonna be too long, to be honest with you, because a lot of people are complaining and say, oh, Chef Ricardo, you're making your videos them too long. I just don't get it. All right, so we're not gonna be too long. We're going to keep it really short and spicy today with you guys. Okay? Yeah, man. All right. So we're gonna go for it now. So hopefully you guys can understand what's going on. Okay? All right. As I say, simple, beautiful. So this is our blender, which I'm going to be using. All right. We're going to put 1 lime inside of the blender. And we're going to use some fresh organic ginger. All right, now people don't know that turmeric is one of the best things you could ever use right now. Very good for inflammation and paint joint and all them thing there. So we're gonna go with it with a few slices. All right. Green apple. This is a heart of a green apple with the seeds. We're gonna use it also. Okay. So we are using half of an apple into the blender. Lovely. So you guys can see. So that's half of the apple right there. Now we're gonna get some celery to put inside of it. So we're using 2 sticks of celery. All right, celery is very good for the immune system. Excellent. So that's the celery right there. All right, now we're going to get some couple slices of cucumber. All right. Right here, we have a couple slices of cucumber straight into the blender. All right. And that is excellent right there. As you guys can see, that is my, I did say I was going to use half of the cucumber, green apple, but I'm just going to finish up the whole green apple right here, okay? Because it makes sense using up the green apple, to be honest with you. Lovely. So we're going to put some water, roughly about 8 cups of water into it. All right, excellent. Now, let's put on the lid. We're not going to use any sugar, sweetener, or honey. Naturally, as it is, right there. All right, guys. So, as you guys can see, that is fantastic and amazing. Very simple, beautiful, and effective. All right, now we are going to blend it and make some noise. All right, now before we blend, this is the book. Get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon. So go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my brand new book right here. Okay? Beautiful and nice. Now let's blend. Okay. All right. So we finish blend it. All right. And now we are going to run it through our strainer. All right. So we're going to run it through the strainer. Lovely. Excellent. So, all right. So you just need to use a spoon and take out some of it. All right. Now, you see this, at least 5% is right here. Okay, 5% is inside of it. So you might wonder what you're gonna do with this. Yes, you can eat it, but the ginger blend up in it is better for you to grate the ginger, and it's going to much more better. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Now, this is how it look. All right. And I'm gonna simple pour it out first. Okay. Excellent. And that's it right there. Okay. So we just pour it out. Now the rest of the remain, you can eat it or you can do whatever you want to do with it. But trust me, that is amazing. We're also left. And this is a juice right here. Very good to detox the body and boost up the immune system. And I will recommend it to you to give this a try at home. If you like my recipe, leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And we have a lot more recipes for you guys can also make at home. All right? Big up on yourself. And remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Good vibes. All right? Yeah, man. So leave in the comments, tell a friend.